This is the Mississippi River in St. Paul, Minnesota. Tonight, it is expected to crest at over 20 feet. It would be the 7th worst flooding of the Mississippi on record. Minnesota has experienced flooding for days, prompting President Biden last night to declare a major disaster for people in the town of Waterville. The damage and the costs are adding up quickly. CBS's Tom Hanson reports.
Despite its name, the town of Waterville, Minnesota has never seen anything like this.
Did you ever think that this would happen?
No.
No, not for a second.
Situated between two lakes with a river in between, the community received as much as 18 inches of total rain over the last week, submerging much of the town where nearly 2,000 people live.
Our electrical panel is in the basement, so that was our biggest fear, is our electrical panel going underwater and shorting out everything.
Nicole Rosas and Chad Doring lost a dog and tens of thousands of dollars worth of property in the floods. There was no requirement to purchase flood insurance when they bought their house 6 years ago, so they decided against it.
We could have gotten it, but there was no call for it, like there was no threat of a flood, and it was so expensive at the time. We just were like, no, that's insane.
According to data from FEMA, homeowners in Waterville pay an average of $941 per year on federal flood insurance. There are only 33 total active policies in the town. Aaron Cocking is the president of the Insurance Federation of Minnesota.
The enrollees in the National Flood Insurance Program in Minnesota over the last several years are down, and actually down considerably, which I think is the result of people looking at this and thinking, this is not going to affect me.
Our furnace is down there, our electrical panels down there, our children's memories are down there.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah, that's another, it's like, even if we had insurance, flood insurance, it's like none of it, you can't replace the memories.
A changing climate and changing costs, changing how many people live. Tom Hanson, CBS News, Waterville, Minnesota.